Okay, guys, I got my verification code, and so we're verifying my YouTube account so I can do videos longer than 15 minutes. So I'm typing in my verification code now. There we go. Okay, my phone number is now verified, so let's see if I can go back and upload my video or not. Um, let's see if it'll let me just upload it again here, or if I have to do everything all over again. I'm not sure. I didn't want to lose all the work that I just put into that. So I'm trying to figure out if I can just hit edit here. Okay, so trying to figure out how to not lose all the work I just did. Uh, but I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be able to avoid that. Okay, so let's see about. Maybe if I. Hmm. If I scroll down here. Description. Okay, so my description I made for the previous video is all gone, it looks like. So just press delete video and start all over again. Let's see. I don't see how to add a new video. And it was pretty easy before I just clicked on content and added the video. I don't know if it's just stuck. Okay, we're going to just delete the video. Let's just try this again. Upload videos. Select files. Reuse details. Okay. Can I reuse details for the description? Okay, it still says uploading video. .13%, 7 minutes left. So I'm just going to wait a little bit and make sure that it's going to let me upload a longer video before I move on. So I'm going to sign off for now, and we will talk soon.